Let's do a nighttime sunset scene. So I'm going to go back in with my yellow and my orange. We're still going with the basic blending up to the top sunset. Yellow, orange, pink. Don't forget to go back in and blend with some of that orange. Then I'm going to go into purple, but I want it to be nighttime, so I'm going to make it really dark at the top. I'm even going to add some black all the way at the very top of my picture and blend it in. So at nighttime you have stars, and there's a couple different ways to do stars. The first method is a toothpick and just a little bit of white paint. You just dab, dab, dab. Tap it anywhere you want a star. This is great for people who are picky, but I'm going to show you my favorite way. It's a splatter way, where I take a flat brush with some watered down white paint, and then using another just dry brush, I'm going to smack that brush over top of the clean one. What this does is it forces the paint onto the paper and gives you really nice stars kind of spaced throughout. This is my favorite method because it gets really nice randomized patterns. Now let's make it interesting. I'm going to do a silhouette. So I'm going to take some black paint on my mop brush and give myself some ground. And then taking a detail brush, going up with a little black line. There's a smaller one right there. Okay, so here's another way to do trees. I'm going to take my fan brush, using it the wide way this time, and just doing a zigzag while tapping it. Bounce it like a bunny. Back and forth. Right, left, right, left. And what happens to trees as they get taller, especially Christmas trees like this? They get smaller at the top up to a tip. So turn it the short way to give yourself a little tip, and then go back and fill it in however you'd like. Just don't do it so thick that you lose that really pretty color from your sunset in the background. Here's the second one. He's going to be a little smaller. Going all the way up to the top, turn it and tap in a tip, and filling it in however you like. There you go. So you could stop there, but I'm going to give them some friends. I'm going to give them a different kind of tree like we learned in the last fall picture. Don't forget adding branches, doing those V's. They're reaching up towards the sky. Nice long lines. I'm doing them really simple. Just a couple little branches like that. There we go. Now someone asked for a winter scene, so I'm going to go back in with my fan brush and some white paint. And this just also brightens it up too. I'm going to tap in a little bit of white paint to look like snow. Now it wouldn't cover your entire tree, it would just be falling and setting on the outside. So just a couple taps in there really brightens up that tree. There you go. And don't forget a little bit on those other trees. A little bit of white paint would have fallen inside those V's. That's where it gets caught. And then taking my mop brush and some white paint, I'm just gonna dab, bounce it like a bunny, all the way across the top. And using my handy dandy pouncer, someone asked for a moon. I just use white and gray on it. And if you do that, press down and twist, it looks like a moon. You can even go back in with some black paint. Again, when you do that, it gives it craters, just like that. And there is a nighttime forest winter scene for you.